Hi everyone! In this video, we will simulate the business case we have mentioned in the blog post. I will leave the link for this blog in the description box below. First, we create a condition contract using Monitor Customer Condition Contracts application. We select Create Contract, and we select our condition contract type, which is, in this case, Sales Rebate. We enter our customer. We will choose our main customer. Then we will enter our validity date for this condition contract. Next, we check our sales tab to make sure that the sales area are entered correctly. Then we move on to business volume selection criteria. So in this business volume, we want to include all the billing documents that have these customers as payers. So the field selection will be payer. And then we have 3 customers. I will insert 3 lines. So the first customer I want to be included is our main customer. Then our sub-customer 1, followed on by our second customer, sub-customer 2. After that, we check our settlement data to make sure that the settlement material is inserted. And then we go to settlement calendar. For making this video as simple as possible, I'm making only one settlement date, which is final settlement. And I will also not be using any accrual condition types, just to make it as simple as possible. In this section, we will maintain our conditions for the condition contract. So the table that we will use have the fields condition contract, material group, and customer hierarchy. So first, we maintain our condition type for the rebate. And maintain our material group and our customer. So in the first line, or the first condition record, what we are saying is that the main customer will take around 500 Saudi Riyal for each 1 square meter of any material that he buys, provided that this material belongs to material group specified here, which is L004. We do the same with the second line, but with a slightly different scenario. So what we are saying in the second condition record is that our main customer will take around 350 Saudi Riyal for each 1 square meter of any material that the sub-customer 1 buys, provided that this material again belongs to the specified material group here, which is L004. And the same goes with the third line, but for the sub-customer 2. Again, we are saying that the main customer will take around 150 Saudi Riyal for each square meter that the sub-customer 2 buys for any material that belongs to material group L004. Now we release our contract and then save it. After that, we check our business volume using this application. So we insert our condition contract number and press execute. Now we see that we have this condition contract and the contract recipient is customer 1, which is our main customer. And here is the settlement quantity, supposed settlement quantity, and the business volume. But I want to see more details, so I will check single record on business volume. So now we will notice again, here is our customer 1, which is our main customer and the contract recipient. But the billing documents that has been considered, the payers for these billing documents are actually different. They are, payer 1 and 21 and 22, representing main customer and sub-customer 1 and sub-customer 2. So all of these customers are taking, or the billing documents that they have created are taken into consideration as well. And the last thing we will do is settle the condition contract. Here we insert our settlement date, final settlement date in this case. And we will check the run type to be live run to create an actual settlement and a credit memo. Press execute. The settlement run has been successful. We try to check our contract. So here's our contract and we have one credit memo created. And this credit memo, the recipient for it or the bill to party or payer is main customer 1. And here's the amount. Okay, so now we find that we have 3 settlement document items, and these items are based on a split criteria that has been defined. Among these split criteria is the customer, the one we have added in the configuration, which is customer. So when they have different customers, then they should be separated in different settlement document items. Now we go to flexible overview to see more details. We will find that here we have, again, one credit memo, and we have different customers. These customers, we see the rate, and we see the quantities they have purchased or they have bought from us or from our company. And we see the amount that the main customer should actually be liable or should receive as a rebate based on his business volume and the business volume of the sub-customers underneath him. And if there's certain fields or the things in the layouts that we want to make it more to our choosing, we would choose to change the layout and add these fields. Now, if you want to check the pricing for this settlement item, we would choose customer pricing. and we'll check out the rebate condition type. This is where the transfer manager comes into place. So it transfers the value maintained in the customer field in the settlement document item table to the customer hierarchy field in the pricing header table to make sure that the condition record that it has been maintained in the condition contract is set properly. This is the end of the video. I hope the video has been useful. Thank you.